Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, my client is getting a basic fade with a half on the side and a textured top. This is a real client in a real barbershop situation during normal business hours. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Now likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin. The first step is to establish the guideline. My client is getting a half. A half is basically when the clipper's blade is fully extended like this. Use that to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a foreguard and fully extend the blade. Your movement with this guard is going to be all the way straight up. When you're finished passing through the section, close the blade and then repeat. Attach a 3-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. attach a half guard and fully extend the blade. When you pass through the section, tap the lever forward just a little bit to close the blade, and repeat. Continue doing this until the line is erased. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. The next step is to clean up your lineup with the razor. The next step is to add texture to the top of the hair to give it a more lively appearance. Alright guys, if your finished haircut looks like this or better, you've done well. All of the clippers and trimmers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit CaliberProCorp.com and use discount code 555.